After llamas and alpacas, now we have emus making entry into generative AI. Meta has just released EmuVideo, which is an innovative tool creating 4-second videos at 512 by 512 resolution and 16 FPS. The approach used by Meta is quite simple yet ingenious. First, they are transforming text into an image, and then they apply a super resolution technique along the temporal axis to create motion, primarily crafting a video from a single frame. EmuVideo smartly splits the challenge into two phases. First, it starts by crafting a starting image from text using a state-of-the-art text-to-image model, which we have seen from many companies. But then this image video add a twist and an innovation by introducing temporal convolution and attention layers, creating the remaining frame of the video while keeping the quality top-notch and leveraging the base model's strength. You can also try it out. So go to this main website and I'll drop the link in video's description. Click on try it out and you'll be presented with this screen. And here the Emio video really stands out because it surpasses other models like Cog video and Imagine video in video quality and text alignment. It also brilliantly retains all functionalities of its text-to-image predecessors and even allows for seamless video editing without extra training while outperforming commercial giants like Pika Labs. So first you can simply select the words to create or your own video. For example, I'm going to go with in Bondi Beach, like this one. So you see there, and then I'm clicking this here. Now, once that's done, you can animate your image by picking an image to animate it. Now, so you can see that this is Bondi Beach. This is the image which we have selected to animate it, and then from there you can just see that how quick and fast and amazing this quality is. You can also select a few of their images and look at the quality, and you can search it too from their console. Now, one great thing about this model is the attention to detail, because normally what happens is that the problem or issue with current text to video model is their tendency to produce videos that are either of poor quality or lack variety. And the direct conversion from text to video has been a tough challenge, often impacting the quality of the base text to image model, especially when we have depicting motion. But this model and application, EmuVideo, solves that in a style. So give it a try and let me know what you think. I'm very impressed by the quality. Thanks for watching, and if you like the content, please consider subscribing to the channel. Thank you very much.